What's up, man? You know where we at? We back. What do we come for?
My Civic, I'm dipping in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic, my Civic, my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic, my Civic.
What's going on, y'all? It's your boy LSF Rod 254. You tuned in for another one. Back out here with the with this. What year is this? Back out here with the 2001 Silverado. On the sticker, on the mirror. I guess we can't flip this camera like we want to. 15,000 miles. No starter, bad trans 4501. I'm guessing this is like an insurance claim. I'm not exactly sure. I have to go back and watch Cat Logo video and get an idea if that might be what it is, what we're close to. I didn't bring any battery or generator or anything, and then the whole dash cluster is gone. So, I mean, it is what it is with that. I was watching video of Divine Speed Team on YouTube, and I was seeing how he did his block, his fuse wiring or whatnot. And this is something handy. We're gonna have to take that with us. Yeah, so what we got here is just 216,000 miles on it. Issues that concern me with this would just be the fact that the block is off, or the intake is off. And then curious on if the motor turns over, if it's a rebuild. Like I said, it's really gonna kind of be last resort to come and get one from here, because I'd rather get one that I know that's running and then I can just drop it off in there, versus getting one and then knowing that it done rained off in it. I might have to pull the heads and all of that, and then I gotta buy new head studs and all of that. So knowing buying one that's kind of already where it's at. But I mean, shit, it's ready to come out, man. It really is really not shit to take off here. Like 2 bolts, and then you can pull this bitch up out of here. So I don't know. I was gonna try to maybe pull this fucking pull these goddamn spark plugs and see if that bitch will turn over by hand, but it's hot as fuck out here, so I'm probably not. So we just here for the motherfucking fuse block here. A lot of guys, I know you're going in, you're getting your stuff reworked and everything like that, but like I said, I was watching the Divine Speed Team video. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab these battery wires. Since now we know for sure we're gonna go ahead and do a swap. They cut that shit out the starter, but that shouldn't be too big of an issue to replace. Oh shit, they cut it out the goddamn alternator too. See, that's why you don't do that shit, man. Only cut what needs to be cut, and then you ain't gotta worry about that shit. You done fucked up the church's money. Fucked it up for everybody. Anyway, like I was saying, we probably still need that negative battery cable. We can probably find another positive that hasn't been cut. So we'll set that over there. So yeah, like I was saying, I was checking out a video, man. He was going over the fuse block and just identifying like what certain wires and stuff that you needed to just do it like that. So I came back out here to simply grab this fuse block. I thought there was a cover on it, but the benefit of having that cover is you can see which fuses and which relays go to what, but a lot of them have been demolished and are missing. And this is a different year. Yeah, so there's some other ones back up front. I'll check them out and see. But that's the biggest thing, man. Just don't grab your harness. You're gonna clip the wires here. Cause I don't even think you need everything that you need for the motor. We already grabbed it, but there are some additional things that you can use, and I'm gonna have to check out that video and then get back to y'all. Alright, y'all. So we done walked around, loaded up our fuse block, was ready to go. Also went ahead and got the throttle cable. I'm gonna show y'all what we finna do with this.